Hello, friends. Are you feeling more fatigued or stiff than usual? You're not alone. Weak muscles, cramping, and stiffness are all too common with the years, but did you know your diet could be the culprit? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 nutrients that could be the key to stronger, more energized muscles. Stick around to find out what you should be eating to ditch the fatigue, banish those cramps, and keep your muscles in top shape. Number 1, protein, the foundation for strong muscles. As we get older, protein becomes more important than ever for maintaining muscle strength. In our 60s, our bodies become less efficient at utilizing protein, which can lead to faster muscle loss and make staying active more difficult. Experts suggest a daily intake of 1.2 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight to combat muscle loss. The benefit of protein goes beyond preventing muscle breakdown. It actively helps rebuild muscle after exercise and keeps us strong and mobile. Think of it as the body's natural repair system. To make sure you're getting enough protein, try adding it to every meal. Grilled chicken, turkey, and lean beef are excellent sources that contribute to muscle growth. If meat isn't your choice, fatty fish like salmon and tuna are packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and aid in muscle recovery. Eggs are another fantastic option, easy to prepare, versatile, and full of amino acids that help support muscle repair. Don't forget about dairy. Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and milk provide a combination of protein and calcium, essential for maintaining bone strength. For those following a plant-based diet, beans, lentils, and tofu are great protein-rich alternatives. They not only offer protein but also contain fiber, which is great for digestion. Making sure you include protein in your meals is simple and rewarding. Start your day with scrambled eggs or a protein-packed smoothie for breakfast. Add grilled chicken or beans to a salad or wrap for lunch. For dinner, enjoy baked salmon, tofu stir-fry, or a hearty lentil soup. Including protein in each meal fuels your muscles and helps you stay energized and strong. Number 2, omega-3 fatty acids, the inflammation fighters. Omega-3 fatty acids are powerful allies when it comes to muscle health. As time goes on, inflammation becomes a major culprit in muscle breakdown, making it harder to maintain strength. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s support muscle repair and strengthen your muscles. On top of that, these healthy fats improve the effectiveness of the protein you consume, helping it work harder to build and maintain muscle mass. Research shows omega-3s help combat sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, making them especially important as we age. The best sources of omega-3s come from fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. These fish are not only packed with omega-3s but also with protein, making them a perfect combination for muscle health. If you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. Walnuts are an excellent plant-based source of this nutrient and make for a quick and satisfying snack. Take Tony, 68. He started adding a handful of walnuts every morning. 6 months later, he noticed his strength and energy coming back, and today he's walking 3 miles a day without stopping. Flax seeds and chia seeds are also loaded with these beneficial fats. Simply sprinkle them on your yogurt, cereal, or blend them into smoothies for an easy omega-3 boost. If you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, algal oil is a great supplement option as it provides DHA, the most beneficial form of omega-3s for muscle health. It's easy and delicious to boost your diet with omega-3s. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week. Grilled salmon for dinner or a fresh tuna salad for lunch are great options. If you're looking for a quick snack, grab a handful of walnuts or add flax seeds or chia seeds to your oatmeal or smoothie. These small additions can have a big impact on reducing inflammation, supporting muscle recovery, and keeping you feeling strong and energized. Number 3, vitamin D, the muscle and bone supporter. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining both muscle strength and bone health, particularly in later years. Low vitamin D levels can weaken muscles and make bones more fragile, increasing the risk of falls. It also helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for muscle function and bone density. Insufficient vitamin D can reduce calcium absorption to just 10 to 15%, weakening bones and increasing fracture risk. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are some of the best sources of vitamin D. If fish isn't your preference, there are other options. Many dairy products, such as milk and yogurt, are fortified with vitamin D, and plant-based alternatives like fortified almond or soy milk can provide the same benefit. Eggs are another great option. offering a convenient and versatile way to add vitamin D to your meals. One of the unique things about vitamin D is that your body can produce it when exposed to sunlight. So try to spend 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure a few times a week to help your body make its own vitamin D. If sunlight and food sources aren't enough, supplements can help, but it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor to figure out the right amount for you. A few simple changes like adding eggs to your breakfast, drinking fortified milk, or eating fatty fish a couple of times a week can boost your vitamin D levels. This helps strengthen your muscles and bones, ensuring you stay strong and active as you age. Number 4, calcium, the muscle contraction mineral. When it comes to muscle health, calcium is a powerhouse. It's essential for much more than just strong bones. Calcium is crucial for proper muscle function. Calcium is essential for proper muscle contraction. Inadequate intake can lead to cramps, weakness, and impaired movement control. Calcium helps your muscles function smoothly and prevents spasms. It also plays a vital role in maintaining bone strength, key to staying active as we grow older. You can find plenty of calcium in dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, which provide a rich source to support both muscle and bone health. If dairy isn't part of your diet, there are plenty of plant-based alternatives. Leafy greens like kale, bok choy, and collard greens are packed with calcium, and many plant-based milks such as almond or soy milk are fortified with it as well. Tofu made with calcium sulfate is another great option to add to your meals. Start your day with a bowl of yogurt or a smoothie made with fortified milk and add leafy greens to soups, salads, or smoothies. These simple changes can strengthen your muscles and bones, ensure sufficient vitamin D for better calcium absorption, and limit caffeine and sodium to avoid reduced uptake and excess calcium loss. These adjustments will support your overall health. Number 5, magnesium, the muscle relaxer. Magnesium is the muscle's best friend when it comes to relaxation and recovery. Over time, keeping muscles relaxed and functioning properly becomes even more important, and magnesium plays a major role in that. It helps control muscle contractions and prevent cramps, which is essential for staying active and comfortable. Additionally, magnesium supports energy production, allowing you to keep up with your daily tasks without feeling fatigued. Ensuring adequate magnesium intake is simpler than you might think. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are packed with it, and they're easy to add to meals. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds and pumpkin seeds, are magnesium-rich and make a great snack or topping for your meals. Beans and lentils also provide a solid dose of magnesium and are versatile enough to toss into any dish. For a magnesium boost, start your day with a hearty quinoa salad or a bowl of oatmeal topped with almonds or pumpkin seeds. Snack on a handful of nuts during the day, or throw beans into your soups, stews, or salads. These small, easy changes can make a big difference in keeping your muscles relaxed and functional, helping you stay strong and energized. The recommended daily intake of magnesium for adults ranges from 310 to 420 milligrams. Women generally need around 310 to 320 milligrams daily, while men need about 400 to 420 milligrams. Athletes or those with intense physical activity may need 10 to 20% more due to increased depletion. While magnesium is vital, excessive supplementation can cause diarrhea and discomfort. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting supplements to ensure the correct dosage for your needs. Over 65 doesn't mean it's time to slow down, it's just the beginning of a new chapter. Making small changes in what you eat can have a huge impact on your muscle strength and overall health. Like so many others, you have the power to stay active, healthy, and strong, no matter your age. Don't wait for tomorrow to take action. Start today and give your muscles the support they need to keep you moving. Remember, every step counts and small changes can lead to big results. Looking for more tips to stay strong and vibrant? Hit subscribe, share this with someone who could benefit, and drop a comment to let us know your journey. We're in this together. Let's keep supporting each other and making positive changes. See you in the next video.